Welcome back to the online moral science class. In this video, we learn chapter number 15, Keep on Trying. Students, do you know when does a person fail? A person fails when he or she stops trying. So, if you do not want to fail, never stop trying. Never give up. Keep on trying and trying till you succeed. Many inventions and discoveries suggest that if one concentrates and tries hard, someday he surely succeed. I'll give you an example. Thomas Edison, he said that in his career it took 1000 unsuccessful attempts before he created his first light bulb. Imagine if he would have given up in his first attempt. But even after 1000 unsuccessful attempts, he never gave up. So, keep on trying until you succeed. Many differently abled people rose to great heights. To be differently abled is to be physically or mentally handicapped or disabled, but to show qualities that the able bodied do not have. How many obstacles they would have faced, how much confidence they would have had in themselves in spite of their weaknesses or their disability. How strong their willpower would have been. Those who are specially abled, differently abled, but they keep on trying and achieve great heights. They deserve nothing less than a salute from all of us. When such differently able people can rise to great heights, why can't we? Just believe in yourselves and keep on trying. One day, success will surely knock at your door. In this chapter, we are going to read an inspiring story about Ravindra Jain. Now, Ravindra Jain was an Indian music composer and lyricist. Now, a lyricist is a person who writes song. He was a well-reputed figure. Many people consider him as a role model as he lightened his life in spite of being blind. Ravindra Jain was born on February 28, 1944 at Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. His parents were Pandit Indramani Jain and Kiran Jain. Ravindra Jain, he started singing at a very young age. He used to recite Jain bhajans and poetry. Life was quite harsh for Ravindra Jain, as his blindness caused many problems in the way of his learning music. Putting fingers on the harmonium at the right place initially became a big task for him. But he never gave up. He kept on practicing hard. He was confident that someday he would surmount all the difficulties. Surmount means to overcome. Imagine yourself that when you play guitar, keyboard or any other instrument, how important it is to place your fingers on the right chord. So Ravindra Jain, even being blind, initially, he found it very difficult, but he kept on trying. Ravindra Jain's entry into films was in the year 1960 in Calcutta. 10 years later, in Mumbai, Jain got an opportunity to compose music for the film Kranti, It was a big hit that time. With the passage of time, he became successful and composed music for the films like Geet Gata Chal, Chor, Chor Machaye Shor, etc. In the year 1970, when Jain was composing the music of the film Saudagar in the studio, he got the bad news of his father's death. Though he became sad, he did not leave the studio until the recordings were completed, as he was dedicated towards his work. He finished what he had started. Rabindra Jain was one of the most notable music directors of the Hindi cinema. He won the Filmfare Best Music Director Award in the year 1985. Though he was blind, he understood the music lessons perhaps better than anybody else. But unfortunately, this great man died in Mumbai on October 9, 2015. So we learn, if one's will to succeed is strong, no obstacle or even disability can stop him from achieving success. From this chapter, we learn that even if we fail, one should never stop trying. Every achievement of life depends on our willpower. Always keep on trying. Never stop trying. Overcome the problems and keep moving ahead. Never give up. Always remain confident and hopeful. And think positive and think for a brighter future. Believe in yourself and keep on moving ahead. Thank you.